Hey guys, it's Viva the Pink Posh. Welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So as you guys can see by the title of this video, I'm going to be completing this full face of makeup using Deck of Scarlets makeup palette, and this is their palette for March. So if you guys are not aware of how Deck of Scarlets work, it is a makeup subscription, and every 2 months you receive a new makeup palette, and these palettes are absolutely for full face. So this month's palette came with 3 shadows, a highlighter, a blush, and 2 lip colors, and you also have on the side a eyeliner and a lip liner, which is absolutely wonderful. And the price that you're going to be getting this for, which is $29.95 every other month. This palette has like a complete face of makeup, so you're not gonna find that for the same price anywhere, guys. That's what I like the most about this brand, Deck of Scarlets, is that it's so affordable, and like you can just do your entire face with one palette. And of course, I'm gonna have a special link for you guys where you get 10% off of this edition of the palette, and I will have all of that information down below in the description. So if you're interested in that, just make sure you click below. And as you guys know, each palette they have been doing collaborations with different YouTubers, and this one is with a collaboration with a YouTuber by the name of Roxette, and I think this palette is absolutely amazing. The highlight is like super popping, guys. I love the blush. It has a shimmer, and the lip colors, I'm going to be wearing these for days. So let me stop blabbering and I'm going to get into the video, and I hope you guys like this video and just enjoy, guys. Bye.
Is it too late now? You've seen me walk away too many times, thinking I'll meet someone like you. No, I should've known not to be foolish, but I was young, too young to know any better, too young to think any further. What was I thinking? What was I thinking? To know about you. Is it too much now? You've had to pace yourself so many times, thinking I'll meet someone like you. No, I should've never put you through this, but I was dumb, and now that I do know better, I wish I treated you better. What was I thinking? What was I thinking? To know about you.